The price of most things have shot up in recent years, but not like homeowners insurance. Premiums in Utah have gone up 59% since 2021. One reason, the risk of wildfires. In tonight's Eye on Your Money report, Christina Flores is asking how the current wildfires might affect premiums and if Utah lawmakers can do anything to keep insurance from getting even more expensive.
This summer, two of the country's largest wildfires burned in Utah, the Cottonwood Fire near Beaver and the Babylon Fire in San Juan County. As wildfire risk rises in Utah and across the West, so do homeowner insurance rates. Since 2021, homeowners insurance premiums in Utah have increased by 59%. Despite that, Utah is building more homes in high risk for wildfire areas.
In the last decade, Utah has built 6,300 homes in what would be considered high-risk areas. Second only to California, who in that same time frame has built 10,000.
Utah Senator Evan Vickers represents southern Utah, including the area burned by the Cottonwood Fire. He's concerned that home insurance prices could go up for all homeowners, whether they live in a high-risk zone or not.
Anytime you have an insurance company, they're going to spread the risk across all of their ratepayers. So that's going to elevate the cost to other ratepayers too that aren't in these high-risk areas.
Is there anything that the legislature can do to force insurance companies to give people discounts or consider the fire risk in their individual homes?
The legislature could mandate that if a homeowner created defensible space, they would have to reduce their premium. The legislature could strongly suggest, and that's kind of where we're at now, we could strongly suggest that an insurance company would consider reducing a premium.
Utah Insurance Commissioner John Pike is not a fan of legislative mandates on insurance companies.
Typically, mandates aren't the best way to go because sometimes it can have an unintended consequence, and that may be some insurance company saying, "Yeah, we don't want our hands to be forced, and we just may instead not write new business in Utah."
Pike says Utah has 130 underwriters providing insurance coverage in Utah right now, and that gives homeowners options. He says at least one insurance company in Utah is now offering discounts to homeowners who reduce their fire risk and get it certified.
I have been made aware that State Farm is using that IBHS program and will grant premium decreases.
Senator Vickers says lawmakers will look at wildfire risk and insurance rates very closely.
I'm concerned that maybe some companies might take advantage of the situation and raise rates above what they traditionally would. I hope that's not the case, and I honestly believe that most insurance companies are staying within the bounds of that. But there is some unprecedented pressures on them right now because of what's happening in the West, with fires.
Vickers says at a time when it's harder to buy a house in Utah, the cost of insurance is an even bigger concern.
Insurance now becomes another expense that a homeowner has to undergo to get into a home, and it makes it less and less affordable.
Christina Flores, KUTV 2 News.